Hello, this is Elaine with Elaine's Creations, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make this card using the Coming Home bundle from the Trimming the Town suite. So this card uses the Coming Home bundle. This is an awesome bundle, and you can layer these homes to create a fun card. Here's an example of how you can layer the different homes. So here's the large home, the medium home, and the small home all layered to create this super large home. Isn't that fun? But for this card, I just used the tall home. And then these dies are super fun. You can use them to create a fun snowbank with trees or without. And then all the houses have dies that cut them out. There's this cute car, I call him Herbie, and trees, as well as a wreath, and a lamppost, a little bit of smoke, and these extra house dies. So really, really nice bundle. So for this card, I'm going to start with a watercolor wash, and then I'm going to create some snow. So I'm going to show you how I did that. So I'm going to start with a bit of scrap paper and some shimmery white cardstock that I've cut at 4 and 5 1/4. And I'm going to use my large water painter, and this has a wide brush, and I've got some water in the water reservoir, and I'm just going to squeeze my brush to get the water going. And I'm going to start brushing just the water back and forth about 3/4 of the way down. Pretty wet. And then I've got some balmy blue ink here. Let me bring it on camera. And I'm going to squeeze and grab some of this ink, and I'm just going to go back and forth with this ink. And I'm just going to get this ink all across here. Okay, till I feel like I'm satisfied. And I'll just clean off this brush. You just squeeze it, and then you can like wipe it off on a baby wipe or your Stampin' scrub, and then get it all clean like that. All nice and clean. All right, so now we're gonna let this dry. You can also dry it more quickly with your heat tool. We're going to need the scrap paper. Try and get it to dry flat if you can by pressing it down. And this time I'm going to use the medium water painter, and I'm going to flick water all over the painted area to create the snow. And the water is going to kind of like remove the ink and make it look like snow. So we're gonna try it. I'm gonna squeeze as I hit my finger with the painter brush. And I'm just going to try to get a whole bunch of water all over this, okay? And then for quick drying purposes, I'm going to use paper towel. Paper towel. Wow, that's a lot of snow. Look at that. Kind of all in one area. So I'm gonna should I do some this way? Some that way, make it look a little bit more even. Steven. go. All right, so we've got our background. It looks like snow. Isn't that cool? Quick and easy tip. And we're just going to layer that on a thick Whisper white cardstock with some Stampin' Seal. I love how smoothly it glides. Just center it on here. All right, and then I've already cut out a snowbank with trees, so we're just going to add that to the bottom. So just put some Stampin' Seal on that piece as well. So put it all the way towards the bottom and then against both sides. Snowbank is covering the whole bottom of the card. And then I've already stamped, colored and cut out the house and the trees. So we'll add them with dimensionals. So we'll put the house right there. And we've got the trees. Put the large one over here and the small one right here. And then the designer series paper that's part of the suite is called Trimming the Town. It's really, really cute. And it has one paper. Let me flip through it, try to flip through it real quick. I can't. So I'll show it to you so you can see all the cute paper. That's my favorite. I love that one, this guy. But look at all this cute, cute paper. I love the wreath one. You can cut out the wreath with the dies. And this paper, you can cut out all the houses and trees with the dies. But this paper has all these different sayings in different languages, including English. And you can trim them all out and use them on your cards. So there's the last one. So that's what I did, is I trimmed them all out. And then I can pick which one I want to use on my card, like that. Or I could do Be Merry. So you can pick whichever one you want. Greetings of the season. I like that one. So super fun designer series paper. So I'll pick one when I'm ready to send it, whichever one I want. But that is the card. And as always, I'm offering a class. It includes supplies for these 6 cards. Just go to my website, elainescreations.net, and use this hostess code when you place your $30 order, and you'll receive this class for free. But if you place a $50 order, I will enter you in my raffle to win the Big Boss, which is the Stampin' Cut and Emboss machine. I've already given one away, but I'd like to give away a second one by the end of the month, by the end of November. And today, Tuesday, November 24th, Stampin' Up! Is offering a sale, 10% off almost everything in the annual catalog. There are some exclusions that you can check out on my website as well as on my Facebook page, facebook.com/elainescreations. And so you can check that all out. But if you place that $50 order, you'll be entered into my raffle to win. So go check it out, get 10%, get entered into my raffle, as well as don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on that notification bell so that you're notified every time I post a new video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.